Good morning, my name is Crystal. Today our third grade class will present on how to create an emergency kit.
Good morning, my name is Miley. Our third grade class will educate people on how to be prepared in case of hurricanes or any emergency disasters by having emergency kit ready.
In case if there's an emergency. It is always best to be prepared. My emergency kit starts with a first aid kit. The kit has alcohol, pads, gauze, band-aid, scissors, and antibiotic for cuts or scrapes. I have a thermometer to check for a fever. It has itch relief cream, children's medicine, and pills. iPads can fit to last 3 days per person. I will not forget to pack a can opener. I have water for 3 days. I packed clothes and a sleeping bag. Other important items include a flashlight, batteries, bug spray, and toilet paper. This is my kit. Tell me about yours.
Hello, my name is Kelly. Today my classroom is presenting an emergency kit. You should always have an emergency kit to be prepared for hurricanes, tornadoes, and other amazing damages that you might cause.
Hello, my name is Derek. When a hurricane is coming, you should always be prepared with an emergency kit. My personal hurricane kit has 2 sections, emergency section and survival section. The emergency includes band-aid, alcohol, gloves, and safety goggles. These are necessary for alcohol injuries. My survival section includes bug spray, matches, a hatchet, a knife, a small saucepan, and a flashlight. These are for being able to survive if you get lost. How would you prepare your own emergency kit?
You should always have an emergency kit for hurricanes that you have might cause. They could bring to amazing damages.
It's important to always have an emergency box in hand. It can be used during emergency time. In my emergency, I have band-aids, hand sanitizer, a thermometer, alcohol pad, tape, scissors, a list of my emergency numbers, whips, flashlight, a water bottle. This is my survival kit project for a hurricane emergency. These are some items you need to survive. Food. You need canned food. Tuna, beans, canned soup. Have plenty of food for 2 weeks. Water. You need gallons of water. 2 gallons of water for each person. Body warmer. You need body warmers, blanket, and extra clothes. Medications. You need medications. Tylenol, ibuprofen, allergy meds. Get your prescription medication for 2 weeks. Energy. You need energy. Flashlight, batteries, radio. Listen to the weather station for information. Personal information. You will need your personal information in case of a disaster of your birth certificate, passport of each person. Shelter. Be in a safe home or go to the near army shelter. Sanitation. You will need personal hygiene, soap, toilet paper, toothpaste. First aid kit. You will need a first aid kit in case of a cut. Band-aids, triple antibiotic, medical tape, medical scissors, gloves, and more. Extra cash. You will need extra cash. Sometimes ATM machines do not work and to buy items that you need. Pocket knife. You need a pocket knife to items that are on your way to survive and be safe. In case of an emergency of a hurricane, remember to be in a safe shelter. Never risk your life or family members. Be prepared with your survival kit. Have plenty of food and water for 2 weeks. Pay attention for information on your radio in case of evacuation.
It is important to have an emergency box. You never know when you will need it. I created my own emergency box. Gloves prevent you from connecting body fluids. Bandages help you marry cuts. Muscle helps you with removing bandages on the surface of your skin. It can help you to control allergic reactions of mosquitoes, reaction, and headaches. Scissors could cut everything. Bandages help you to keep a spring. Hello, my name is Celestia. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to use an emergency kit, but you don't know what items to have in it? Well, I'm going to tell you what you need. The first item you're going to need is a flashlight. You need a flashlight so you can see in the dark. You also need batteries to power some devices. Next, you need a phone charger to power your phone. Next, you'll need water, food, and clothing, also a radio. You will also need a safety plan. In conclusion, it is best to be prepared when there is an emergency. Let's start with the first aid kit. Your first aid kit should have a thermometer to check your temperature. Don't forget children's medicine and pills. In case you get a cut or a burn, you can use alcohol pads, gauze, band-aids, or antibiotic. Last but not least, it should leave a cream to cure a bug bite. You will also need canned food, a can opener, and water. You should have enough for 3 days. Pack a flashlight, batteries, extra clothes, a sleeping bag, and toilet paper. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. You will need bug spray. I hope this helps you create yours. Thanks for watching us.